tyre. What's up guys, here is a video from Mad Aldershot Drift Day. Originally it was made for a Russian audience, but who speak Russian nowadays? Nobody speak Russian. So let's go! So guys, finally we are getting ready for the season. First drift day is next week, and now we are checking the car, changing tires, checking suspension, changing oil. I'm really excited, so let's go. First start after a while, engine is working, yoo-hoo! Bleeded the handbrake, now it's really stiff. First couple of drift days will be on the wet surface, so we definitely will need new tires, brand new. From the rear we bleeded the brakes as I mentioned, and I checked all the bolts, all tightened up already, so it's all good. In here we also can see that wrap condition is not perfect. Wrap's been up for about a year or so and now is peeling off in places. I also had a couple of wall taps. I probably will need to do something different for the next year, maybe paint, but it should be alright for this season. We have done a couple of runs where I was chasing Dimitri and now it's his turn. Hopefully everything will be alright. lost the stud that secures the turbo to the manifold, and now we're trying to fix it. It is so hot in here around the turbo and the manifold, it's just insane. Really easy to fix, but it's so hot, so it's just impossible to secure it properly.
Где-то есть, где-то в этой земле. Я уже немного смазки.
Right guys, to cut the story short, we managed to secure the turbo to the manifold, but when we started the engine we realized that there are other couple of leaks, very small leaks but still leaks, so we tightened the bolts up, all the bolts, and we've been ready to go to the track again. Alright, looks like I got another issue. I started to overheat and I suspect my radiator fan is not working. Беда. Здесь, Savage. Is it wool? Is it wool or is it tire? Tire? That's crazy, that chap crashed into the tire when I was thinking he crashed into the wall because of the state of his car. I tapped the tire as well last time when I was here, but because I had a bush bar, nothing happened to me. And yes, I didn't finish. I think my radiator fan is not working anymore. When the car was idling, I was looking at the gauge and the temperature was rising like 100 degrees, 110 degrees. Crazy. Mystery, the fans are working now. Fingers crossed. No, I was wrong. I think I need to order new fans now.